Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning. It's my pleasure to extend a warm welcome to all of you on the end of project event of NPI EXPAND HDA.
Distinguished guests, esteemed colleagues, and valued partners, Assalamu alaikum, Paher Ragle. Good morning and welcome to the closeout event of the Human Development Activity. I want to extend a warm welcome to our counterparts from the government of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, community members and students from the districts that worked in this program, and our local and international partners who made all of this possible. Your passion, perseverance, and partnerships were instrumental in empowering communities and changing lives. This partnership was the magic that enabled this program to achieve equity, effectiveness, and sustainability. I also want to recognize our partnership with the government of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. At the beginning of this project, USAID and our implementing partner Palladium met with representatives of the Education, Health, and Population Welfare departments. And together, we shaped the project's goals in geographic focus to meet the province's needs.
So just to give you a little bit of background on what is informing my comments today, we started this program at the end of 2019. We ended up working in 11 different countries worldwide, a very broad range of technical areas. When COVID hit, a lot of our programs were focused on COVID, but then of course we had family planning, maternal child health. We were doing work in social accountability and advocacy. So we really had a model that had to be adaptable to many different kinds of technical areas. So first, working with local partners. As you've mentioned, I think the thing that comes through strongest in all of the countries is their connection to communities. That is the value added, that's the comparative advantage of local organizations. We certainly saw it here. And there's a strong commitment to social mission. There is a very broad recognition that local civil society organizations are key partners to government, and without which development will be very difficult. Finally, when organizations like our partners here and around the world get investments in their organization and in their capacity, that in itself is an opportunity. That should not be seen as a project-bound investment. You know, we want you to build on what we've done. So please, all the investments and all the things you've started with us, please continue those.
I feel really glad and honored to stand here today and just reflect back upon the journey that we started in 2021 within Pakistan and share some of the key accomplishments and learnings and insights with you all. Human Development Activity is a part of that umbrella NPI EXPAND global program, which was implemented in Pakistan to improve health, education, services. We managed to kick off 24 grants to 15 local partners. The beauty of this process was that the partners knew their tools, they rated themselves, they made their own CS plans, they came out with the indicators they want to measure to see that how their organization and technical capacity could be built, and then they asked NPI EXPAND for technical support. Now, as a result of all this issuance of grants and the capacity strengthening work and co-creation and co-development, we really are proud to see that the local partners had done some amazing outcomes in health and education. This data is from Apadir and Bunair, and there's an upward trend in the data and utilization rate, they went up. Quality of education has been our key area because we believe that the dropout rates would be really decreased when your quality of education has been improved. I am so honored to see that our Honorable Secretaries, Health and Population Welfare Department officials are here. Their presence is showing their commitment towards that.
Indeed, to me, it's a very unique gathering in the sense that I haven't seen any such closing event, a feedback, a panel discussion, giving output of the project. It's a great learning. This program has contributed a lot in Bunair and Dir Upper. Very unique and novel component of their approach is the involvement of the local community, religious leaders to make a success any event, any initiative, especially in KP. You have to take support of these people. The mobile clinics and telemedicine idea is a very good component, and we are trying to implement it in the other regions as well. The capacity building of these midwives or other health practitioners will go a long way in sustainability. I am of full appreciation for the program. I have verified these contributions through our district health officers, through our health staff. My main reason of coming here is to appreciate these contributions.
We are thankful to the USAID and the organization funded by the USAID for the uplift of health, education, and of course some major activities in population welfare sector. I witness of the remarkable contribution of the USAID and the different organization that was outstanding. Buner and Dirapar, where the activities were done in the population welfare department, were really encouraging. It was really surprising to see the upward indicators in Dir and Buner. In Dirapar and Buner, level of coordination was significantly improved, and we have some very visible progress in both these districts. The government of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is committed to ensure its sustainability.
We are still having about 3.8 to 4 million out-of-school children. The initiative to districts means a lot to us. I am really pleased to witness the successful completion of this project. Through collaboration with the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa government, USAID, and its commitment, enhancing the quality of education, improving service delivery, I am pleased to note that the NPI EXPAND HDA has provided financial and technical support across various facets of the KP education sector plan. Its education grants have empowered local organizations to devise and implement solutions to address the multifaceted challenges in this sector. I will urge my team and our own commitment and our resolve to take it further to whatever extent we can do with our own resources.
It is with great pleasure and a sense of accomplishment at this closing ceremony of the Human Development Activity, a 5-year, $10 million program. This event signifies not only the conclusion of this project, but it's a celebration. It's a celebration of local empowerment, of resilience, and progress in a challenging, hard-to-reach areas of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. The achievements we celebrate today are not just statistics. They represent communities that have been strengthened, futures secured, and lives transformed, like the powerful testimony we heard from Adiha earlier. We believe that local actors, like many of you in this room, are the ones who know best the challenges and opportunities in the communities that you serve. Thanks to the strong local ownership of this initiative, we're so proud and so pleased that the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa government is continuing to operate 34 of these accelerated learning program centers, expanding access to 1,000 girls. In a district where women have fewer opportunities and accesses to service, this activity and its local partners amplified women's voices. Local partners expanded women's representation on local village health committees, created youth advocacy forums, and reactivated civic engagement platforms to empower women and youth. The insights and leadership of these women and youth have shaped messages that have reached over 700,000 individuals. I thank the government of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa for your steadfast commitment to this initiative. I appreciate so much your decision to continue supporting these accelerated learning program centers. Thank you for your commitment and partnership. I particularly want to recognize once again the courageous women and youth who made these initiatives so impactful. The Khyber Pakhtunkhwa khalaq di sehatmand aw talim yafta mursi dera manana.